Hello folks, welcome to Teach Kolachi. Today we are going to learn how to install Oracle database and connect it with SQL Developer. So we are going to log on to this link which I would be providing you in the video description. We are going to go at the end of this website, and here is a link for Windows 64-bit download of Oracle Database 11G Release 2 Express Edition. Here you can see that there are numerous other versions, but we are going to install Express Edition. By clicking on this link, we are going to this page and we are going to download this link. And it would ask you that have you accepted Oracle license agreement. You have to check mark it and download. It would switch to either you have to sign in to your Oracle account or you have to create account. So initially I have my own account. So as soon as you sign in to your account, it would start downloading. And here is the zip file. Since I have downloaded it priorly to save our time, so we are going to cancel the downloads. After download, it would be in the form of zip file. So initially you have to extract it over here. After extraction, we are going to move on to download Oracle SQL Developer from its website, and this link would also be provided in the video description, so it would be easy for you all to download and connect SQL Developer with Oracle database. So we would be downloading Windows 64-bit version. So here we go, and similarly it would also ask to check mark this too, and it would start to download since we have signed in to the Oracle account in previous tab. So similarly this is being also downloaded priorly, so we would pause the downloads and switch on to further setups. You would also extract SQL Developer file. So yes, all the required setups are being downloaded on our PC. So we would be proceeding from the extract which was being from Oracle database zip file. So moving to the folder, we are going to run this setup. So yes, it would start the installation. We would be waiting for a few minutes. So we would be moving forward with default configurations by accepting the license agreement. Next, yes. So as you all know that while using Oracle database, you have to keep the same password again and again whenever it is being asked. So we would be entering the similar password which we entered to sign in the Oracle account. So here we go. and we would proceed with the next, and it would start the installation. So finally, after long wait, we are here that the installation of Oracle database 11G Express Edition has been done. Before moving towards SQL Developer, we are going to check out the interface of Oracle database. So after connecting it to SQL Developer, it would provide a better interface and it would be on your PC. So going towards SQL Developer, we are going to click on this SQL Developer application. So it would go through all the process of being set up. Finally, we have set up the development environment for Oracle database. We are going to click on Oracle connections. So by clicking new connection, we would be moved towards this screen, and you can name this connection anything. I am keeping it with Teach Kolaji. The username would be system. Remember, the password would be the same which you entered on the Oracle account while downloading this database. So after adding all the credentials, you would move towards connecting it. It is showing this error. In case you have this error, you would need to add some of the commands in the configuration files which were being downloaded while the installation of these softwares. Therefore, we would be heading towards SQL Developer files and search it for SQL Developer .configuration file. So as we entered SQL Developer .conf, there is a file. We would be opening it with Notepad, and there are some of the instructions or commands, you can say, we would be adding in the end of this configuration file. So these are the some of the SQL error handling commands which you are going to add. So these are some of the steps which are also being written, which I would be providing you in video description. So by following these steps, which I am also showing over here, you can easily eradicate the error. So these are 3 commands which you are going to paste at the bottom of your file. Copy it and paste in the end. Save the file and rerun your SQL Developer. We would cross it. Coming back to the files, and we would be running the application again. and hopefully this time it would work. So here we are going to follow the same instructions, going to Oracle connections, new connection, then we would be having the same window, writing over Teach Pulachi system, and password would remain the same. And by pressing connect, see, by placing those commands, we have developed the connection with Teach Pulachi, and our SQL developer and Oracle database 11g has been connected. So here our development environment has been created, and hopefully now we can carry out all of the desired works with this database. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you liked our video. Subscribe to our channel to support us in order to bring more videos like this. Thank you.